What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that is becoming a Java developer worth it in 2019? Definitely yes. A lot of people think Java is that or Java is being replaced by Python. Yes. Few years ago, the computer science curriculum was based on Java. Nowadays, they are replacing with Python because Python is very easy to learn. In Python, you write 5 lines of code. In Java, you write 15 lines of code. But I was a Java developer. I know Java. I love Java. Java is the foundation of all programming language. Technically, that is C. I know that. Okay, but I prefer Java. C. Okay, there's no argument. C is the father of all language, which is the foundation. But when you compare Java with Java, C++, C Sharp, Java is the king. But where you need Java? Firstly, you need Java in the web development world, not the regular web development world. You need to know the JSP, Java Server Page, which is in huge demand. JSP developers are huge in demand, especially banks, because Java have the best security in the world. Even not PHP come close. I mean, most of the world banking website applications are built in the Java using the JSP, Java Server Page framework. And secondly, Android. Yeah, Android is replaced by Kotlin, but if you know Java, you are going to be the king. If you are going to build any apps, I mean, Android have the biggest market share. It crossed the iOS, even it crossed the Windows market share. My opinion will be that learn Java. I will be throwing the book in the description box below. It was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.